Welcome to the unboxing of the Omnidots SWARM Sound monitor. This video covers the packaging, the device itself, and the included accessories, as well as a demonstration of how to install the SWARM. The SWARM Sound monitor comes in this box. On the outside, you'll find a sticker with details such as the package contents, model, unique SWARM ID, and other useful information. Let's open the box. On top, you'll find the Quick Start Guide, which explains the basics and installation steps for getting your SWARM online quickly. The Quick Start Guide contains information on how to connect the device for the first time, as well as instructions for mounting it on a pole or tripod. Next is the SWARM Sound monitor. Let's set that aside for now. Underneath the SWARM, you will find a box with the provided accessories. In this box, you will find the power over Ethernet adapter, the power cable, and the band clamp to secure your SWARM to a pole. The power over Ethernet adapter can be used as a standard power adapter, while also providing the option to connect the SWARM to Ethernet for internet access when there is no available LTE or 4G coverage. And here we have the SWARM Sound monitor. As you can see, it has a nice and robust design. It's lightweight and has an IP65 rating. On the back, you can see the connection port. The SWARM Sound also has a steel plate with multiple mounting options. It provides a screw mount to attach the SWARM to a tripod, the option to attach the band clamp, or use the plate itself with longer screws to attach it to a pole as well. For this setup, we'll be mounting the SWARM Sound directly onto a pole using the included band clamp. Start by feeding the band clamp through the two slots on the steel mounting plate. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, tighten the clamp securely around the pole until the SWARM Sound is firmly mounted. To connect the SWARM to mains power, we are using the power over Ethernet adapter. It is also possible to power the SWARM using Omnidots battery pack, but for this demo, we will be using this approach. First, connect the Ethernet cable of the SWARM to the power over Ethernet port. Before plugging the connector into the SWARM Sound, make sure the ring is turned counterclockwise. Align the white lock with the line and lock it in place by turning the ring clockwise. This will ensure a watertight connection. Now you can power up the SWARM. The SWARM will power up and connect to the honeycomb. For more information about the status indicator light on the SWARM, visit our support center on support.omnidots.com. Thanks for watching. Visit our support website for more tutorials and facts.